I just rotate this bottle 10 times and shoot a video out of it.
Correct.
What value is it adding to anybody? Because I see a lot of big brand pages today. The kind of content they're producing is spending too much money on that with least possible impact. You can say content is the king, but distribution is the queen that you need, right?
Correct.
And you cannot win a chess game without a queen. It is not your ultimate dream or purpose that to become an entrepreneur or to become a TEDx speaker or to become a Josh Talk speaker or to have so many tags on your life. That is not the purpose of life. Problem is competition. वो शार्क टैंक गया है, मुझे भी जाना है, राइट? सो पीपल कैन टेल मी आई एम सक्सेसफुल, माय फादर विल टेल तूने किया क्या अभी?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल एकदम सही पॉइंट आपने पकड़ा है.
Can all collaborate and work together. And I think that's why I love this name also, Collative, right? Okay, it's very amazing name for a co-working space actually.
Hi everyone, today we welcome you to another episode of Collative Podcast where we talk about startups, entrepreneurs and their entrepreneurship journey. So today we have Saurabh Goel with us. For those who do not know who Saurabh is, why don't you introduce yourself?
My name is Saurabh. I started my life as a mechanical engineer way back in 2011. I come from a Bania business class family. So one thing that was engraved in my head for a very very long time कि बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ाई करने से कुछ नहीं होगा, तुम्हें business करना है, right? And I was like a bit contradicted towards that thought always कि भाई पढ़ाई तो सब करते हैं, फिर स्कूल में क्यों डाला है types.
Correct.
But later on I understood that school and college is a basic level education where you kind of have that life skills more than those theory books.
Correct.
In terms of collaborating with other people, working as a team. It actually happens at a school level because sometimes you are playing sports, you figure out what kind of people you like, you don't like, and you evolve a personality.
Correct.
So that's where I came to a point that even if you are going to a school without any reason, go to a great school where the quality students are coming, the quality network is coming. So that's why you should spend a lot of money actually. It's a long-term investment that will reap results in 20 years maybe. Not
Absolutely.
today.
Correct.
So it's a kind of a generational impact. And then 2 years of mechanical engineering, then I was like, okay, this is done. What next? So then 2013, I took a leap going to learning sales and marketing because I understood it's one field where you can travel, meet a lot of people. And it became fun for good 6 years of my life. I worked into direct selling and network marketing industry also to learn sales. The agenda was completely, those 5 years, I put to learning rather than thinking of making millions of dollars out of it. And 2018 again came a point where I got bored. I get bored very easily. Like I can't do a lot of things consistently for a very long time. I need something new, something creative into my head. So a typical AD brain, attention deficit disorders, we want to do a lot of things together, right? And apart from sales, I have this habit of meeting strangers every week. From past 10-11 years, right? That's how the community concept flourished, right? So 2018 I took that sabbatical 6 months. I went on YouTube and tried to understand what is going on in the digital economy. Because in my entire khandan there is nobody who can tell me कि digital कुछ है.
Correct.
या online economy में क्या हो रहा है. Because they are Bania business owners. तो
I remember you in a previous podcast you mentioned that your father is an industrial lubricant supplier.
Yeah.
तो वहाँ से वो वाली मेंटालिटी, फिर उसके बाद ये चीज़ जो उनके लिए भी कम्प्लीटली नहीं है.
Yes. So the day I left my job, I was like, okay, I left my job. He said, he got a shock of his life क्योंकि इसने जॉब कैसे छोड़ दिया, अभी क्या करेगा. And as soon as I said we'll do something online, for every traditional business owner before pandemic, getting things online done was a scam. Practically, right?
Correct.
Because they have seen things like that building in, let's say, 2000s. When this online was new, lot of scam happens.
Correct.
More than scam, I would say the industry was new, so it was crashing down again and again,
right,
until it becomes stable.
Correct.
We are at a stage where it is perfectly stable and flourishing and doing great things. So I had no idea of the digital space, of maybe creative कैसे बनाना है, digital marketing क्या करना है, but I said okay, let's learn it. So I understood 3 things that will remain to the end of human life. One is content. Humans are dependent on passing information to each other.
Correct.
In any case, उसके बिना काम नहीं चल सकता. Second is community. We cannot live alone, isolated for a very long time.
बिल्कुल.
We can think of a isolated weekend कि
हाँ.
शांति चाहिए,
हाँ.
बट देन द सेम वीकेंड यू विल क्रेव कि मेरी मम्मी कहाँ है, मेरे पापा कहाँ है, मेरा भाई कहाँ है.
बिल्कुल.
You will crave for that community again, that whom should I talk to if I'm feeling something.
Correct.
So the feeling of community will never go. And the third C was courses. Now it says it courses, but it can be premium content. It can be a solution that you provide with a product or a service of anything, right? And I heard this podcast with Raj Shamani and Nikhil Kamath, and Raj Shamani decoded this entire chain in a very different way. He said the content will bring in the community. Community will create a culture which will impact the behavioral change.
Correct.
That's where people start buying new solutions.
Absolutely.
And they believe that whatever we are living, there's a better way to do it.
Correct.
So for me, it was always about doing things a better way. अच्छा ये तो चल रहा है दुनिया में ना, इसको better कैसे कर सकते हैं?
बिल्कुल.
Like a Binya business family is very simple. They'll get married, they have kids, and then their entire life is about kids. बच्चों के लिए पैसा कमा रहे हैं, हम अपने लिए कुछ नहीं करते, right? Okay. And they are mostly running on survival mode. So 2-3 लाख रुपए महीना कमाना है, and उसके बाद they will not work.
Correct.
But I was like, ये 2-3 लाख रुपए महीना ऑनलाइन में तो बहुत easy है actually में, right? बट उतना इजी नहीं है एक्चुअली में, राइट? until unless you understand the scalable systems, until unless you understand technology and build a distribution around you. And then 2021 was a time when I started talking to bigger brands. So the first thing happened, like InstaMojo came, and I was creating a lot of content. They're like, okay, let's do a LinkedIn live for our community and all. And I was like, आपके पेज पे तो कुछ views ही नहीं है, कर क्या रहे हो? Said we never focused on branding or reach or distribution because we started way back in 2011 as a payment gateway.
Correct.
So we were early payment gateway people. तो हमारे पास database बहुत है, user base है.
बिल्कुल.
But then they were also shifting towards a Shopify kind of a model of e-commerce model. And that's where we did the first influencer marketing campaign for them, like in a very mode के पता नहीं क्या होगा but कर देते हैं types, right? So me, my partner Rohan Chaube, we worked together on that campaign. And so majorly the Rohan Chaube's brain in terms of how to distribute the things.
Correct.
So digitally I think he's the greatest distributor I know.
Digitally.
How to content को distribute कैसे करना है, because you can say content is the king, but distribution is the queen that you need, right?
Correct.
And you cannot win a chess game without a queen.
Absolutely.
Right? So that's where I learned a lot of social media distribution from Rohan. And this campaign at the end of the result became best performing campaign of the month, and we got that confidence. So that's where Success Brew as a content marketing company started, right? And the relationships in the industry got very, very stronger. And then 2021 December, I said, okay, let's go out, meet all the community members because pandemic khatam ho gaya, let's travel.
Correct.
So I went to Mumbai. We hosted 3 meetups in Mumbai. Within 2-3 days. Then same night I traveled to Pune and hosted another meetup with 30 people. Then Hyderabad, then Chennai, then Bangalore. Bangalore, I think we had around 54 people. Right? It was hosted by a brand that time, Creator.club.
Okay.
But then I realized one thing: people living in the same city, they know each other from 10-20 years. They don't meet and collaborate.
Right.
I'm like, this is the waste of value. So if you have a knack of automation and I have a knack of strategy, why not we come together and do something?
Absolutely.
It's very, very simple.
Correct.
Right? I don't have a headache, you don't have a headache. So then I started building this entire freelancers gang who cannot sell. But they're very good operators and content creators or brand strategists or whatever they can be, or maybe a great pitch deck designer, right? I said, okay, let's come together. I'll bring in the business. I have the distribution, I have the clients, you operate on that. And the entire Success Brew model is we distribute 60% of our revenues with them. So mostly agency models कैसे काम करते हैं? You might be charging $3,000 from a client, but आप content writer को वही 10-20 हज़ार रुपए महीना दे रहे हो.
Absolutely.
Okay, and they live a poor life at the end of the day. And you say I am making like 2 crores in my agency. You are building a bigger brand name. But I said no. These are my people. They are my distributors actually.
Correct.
Right. So at the end of the day, so I took it a traditional distribution model to the digital world.
दोनों को merge करके.
Right? दोनों को merge कर दिया, right? And that's where I think my expertise lies. I love that model of traditional way where there is no internet and you can still do this conversational business.
Correct.
And then distribute this conversation on internet to get more business.
Absolutely.
And more distribution. So this digital world is nothing but amplification of things. So people today, what are like we are meeting today, we have had the offline conversations also.
Correct.
But now this conversation we are recording. But I think I have met 300 people one to one, never recorded a conversation.
Right.
So nobody knows.
Absolutely.
अगर मुझे 2014 में पता होता कि पॉडकास्ट रिकॉर्ड कर सकते
हाँ, हाँ,
हैं,
हाँ.
so I think I have met best of the people in the industry in sales and marketing and all. तो
Absolutely.
YouTube channel पे शायद भी 10 million followers होते,
बिल्कुल.
right? I had never had any idea about it,
Hmm.
right? Content बनाना जब start किया, I had no idea that email list भी बनानी होती है. Never created that, right? But no regrets. It was a part of learning. There was
Correct.
nobody to teach around my own family circle to teach me those things. But I'm like, okay, let me be the first one to make all the mistakes. And that's where Success Brew community is built on a pillar that it is a support community. It's a family of different experts. You ask a question, you will find a solution.
I vouch for that.
I don't seek engagement in my communities. मुझे रोज के 500 मैसेजेस नहीं चाहिए.
Correct.
मुझे प्रमोशंस नहीं चाहिए, राइट? मैं खुद को भी प्रमोट नहीं करता हूँ कभी. आई स्टे साइलेंट. समबडी आस्क ओके आई नीड अ एक्सपर्ट लाइक दैट, ओके ये लो, आई कैन टैग 3 पीपल इमीडिएटली, राइट? वो क्यों कर पा रहा हूँ? बिकॉज आई हैव मेट देम ऑफलाइन 1-to-1,
Right.
hosted events with them, hosted house parties with them, right? And we also created 1 or 2 meetups. We could not continue that. It was called Unwind Saturdays.
Okay.
Okay, let's not talk about business, not talk about strategy or scale up or funding, just life.
Just life.
Unwind Saturdays, unwind things, right?
Correct.
So I recently found out a special community that is named as Unwind only.
Okay.
It's an entire founders community called Unwind. So they travel and all.
Correct.
Stuff. So I think that's how the journey grew. So major pillars of my personal thing is that I want to give more, and I believe that the return comes from somewhere,
Right.
not from the same person back, but universe as a whole. I'm a big believer in spirituality, religion, universe as a whole, and all the mystic energies that are possibly available in the world. I believe them, I feel them,
Correct.
and I think they work somehow.
Absolutely.
Because human life is very, very small in front of this entire universe.
Absolutely.
It is nothing at all.
Correct.
Right? And one of the biggest achievements I would say in this entire thing is not about making money. It's about helping a lot of mompreneurs make money who
Mompreneurs.
had to leave corporate jobs because of lack of flexibility in the corporate career. Young kids, growing parents, both need them at home. But they can devote 4-5 hours when the kid is sleeping.
Right.
And in that space, they made 1 or 2 lakhs a month.
Wow.
Right?
Huh.
And when I receive a message like, sorry, you know what, my grandmother got through a knee surgery, and my mother-in-law is in hospital, and my own mother is in hospital, and I could manage all 3 together while making those 1.5 lakhs a month. That message is a blessing of life.
Absolutely. And this is something which you should be very proud of.
And I think I have 1800 screenshots of such messages.
1800.
Yeah, more than that. I'm not able to manage or arrange them or organize them now. And sometimes, you know, suddenly you get a message in the community, Saurabh, thank you for whatever you do for the community. Because the best part, we kept it free. There is no gate into that. The
Correct.
only gate is that at least you should be able to tell me what you provide
Correct.
or what you need.
Right.
So ये सब करते करते the journey is evolving. I am evolving as a person. So I don't claim I'm expert in any area of my life as of now. I'm still an explorer of life and doing things that can somewhere impact somebody. So these are the major parts.
The thing that you said, ki you're an explorer of life, is it coming from the journey that you have gone through, or is it coming from the spiritual, religious mind that you have, or is
Like,
it a mix
it's-
of both?
It's basically a curious mind
हाँ.
which keeps asking all the time, अच्छा ये तो है और क्या होगा?
Hmm.
ये तो है, right? Everybody is working in the same way. What better can be done, or
Correct.
what new can be done, or what different can be done, right? How do I make things better for anybody?
Correct.
But first, I have to make it better for myself to have a first-hand experience of the mistakes
Right.
I will do, right? Okay. So the kind of things that people say, like, okay, it's okay to buy a first car at 33. I did that actually, right? Okay. And it's okay not to invest in a property. I did not invest in any property as of now. But this year I'm planning that too in a commercial property. Because home, I don't know where will be my home 10 years from now. I don't want to stuck in one place.
Correct.
I want to change.
Right.
But a commercial property is a piece of wealth
Right.
that you
It's
will
an
create.
asset.
That's an asset actually.
Right.
Your home is not an asset any day, right? And it doesn't grow that much, right? वो ठीक है, पैसा पार्क करना है बहुत ही एक्स्ट्रा अलग बात है. But I believed in one more thing, that is investing in humans.
Correct.
Loyalty, right? वो बहुत बड़ा गेम है. needs a lot of patience.
Correct.
It's a purely a thankless job.
Hmm.
There might be people you invest too much into and they will not even thank you for that.
Correct.
But that's okay,
Hmm.
right? Because the universe knows you invested
Correct.
at the end of the day.
Bilkul.
So spiritual mind is all about, again, the curiosity took me to spirituality actually. That okay, there is something that exists in the world that says कि mantra chanting से कुछ होता है. अच्छा क्या होता है? Let's experiment. So I'm open to all the modalities. Right? So I consistently buy courses or meet these kind of people. So fortunately, 2-3 of them are our clients.
हाँ.
Right? So working with them, you go deeper into the subject anyway.
Right.
And this time when Prime Minister Modi gave these creator awards, so one of the girls is Janvi Singh, who is also part of our community by the way. She created this entire Instagram and YouTube channel called Geeta Se Gyan. Okay. She's amazing personality. She's 19-20 years old, right? But that spiritual knowledge that she brings in from the Vedas and ancient books, perfectly amazing. So I think we are disconnected from the basic root level things in India, especially our generation. Gen Z is much more connected somehow. I don't know why. I was reading an article recently that people are shifting in India. They used to listen to a lot of horror shows or these kind of things on podcast audio, but they're moving towards the spiritual content. Because sometimes life breaks you down to a level where it says okay, bow down now, forcefully bows you down.
Correct.
And then nothing works. No strategy works. No mentor works. Nothing works. Surrendering works.
Right.
That okay, I'm nothing. I need help.
Right.
That's a space where it works, right? So I think for everybody, that is a space. Definitely.
Also, you mentioned about surrendering to something. I personally experienced this myself. कि जब like I'm an entrepreneur myself, I have this platform. तो जब भी मेरे को ऐसा लगता था भी पहले कि अब चीज़ें नहीं हो रही हैं and there's no one I can bow down to. But वहाँ पे when I figured out spirituality, वो सरेंडर करने की भी जो फीलिंग होती है वो इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेस आउट ऑफ योर माइंड.
Yes.
तो वो भी एक तरह की खुशी है जो मैंने एक्सपीरियंस करी है कि यार किसी के सामने तो मैं सरेंडर करके यार अब आपके हाथ में है, अब आप संभालो इस चीज को.
Makes a lot of sense.
So I got to know about your journey. I want to understand one thing. So what, like when you introduce yourself to someone, how do you introduce yourself? Are you a LinkedIn influencer, a community builder, a brand strategist? How do you do that?
I think if one line, I would say I'm a solution provider. I find solutions. मेरा जो goal setting strategic planning पहला workshop था, उसमें सबको यही बोलता था. Entrepreneurship is a way to do something.
Correct.
It is not your ultimate dream or purpose that to become an entrepreneur or to become a TEDx speaker or to become a Josh Talk speaker or to have so many tags on your life. That is not the purpose of life. At the end, the only purpose is that you evolve as a better soul and go back somewhere. We don't know, right?
बिल्कुल.
ये सारा process है और इस process में मत मरो. Process के लिए मत मरो. Process को follow करो, जो होता है अच्छी बात है, जो नहीं होता है change कर लो.
Correct.
That's where entrepreneurship में एक बहुत अच्छा word is called the pivot.
बिल्कुल.
Like you can start with the idea and after 2 years you're doing completely different stuff.
बिल्कुल.
Why? Because you wanted to solve a certain problem that is not getting solved in one way but in another way now.
Correct.
So you keep changing.
Absolutely.
You pivot. Because एक सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम आपको अपने लिए सॉल्व करना है कि आपको पैसा कमाना है. At the end of the day, right?
Right.
अगर वो धंधा या प्रॉब्लम नहीं भी सॉल्व हो रही है स्केल पे, पैसा कमाने के लिए कुछ तो करोगे. चाहे कंसल्टिंग करोगे बैठ के.
बिल्कुल.
या पॉडकास्ट बनाओगे या कंटेंट क्रिएटर बन जाओगे, फ्रीलांसिंग करोगे, कुछ तो करोगे ना.
बिल्कुल.
राइट.
राइट.
सो ये सब जो चीजें हैं ना बीच की, ये प्रोसेस है. Because a few things we do because we like, a few things are required to be done as a part of the game, and a few things we do because we want to show off.
Correct.
Right?
बिल्कुल.
TEDx speaker, Josh Talk speaker, LinkedIn influencer, top voice.
Correct.
ये सब शो ऑफ है. दुनिया को अच्छा लगता है देखने में.
बिल्कुल.
तो हमें दिखाने में भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. राइट? और वो आ रहा है, बाय डिफॉल्ट आ रहा है. So these recognitions are byproduct of the value you are adding. They might come, they might not come. It's okay.
बिल्कुल.
For the startups, I think I am only solving one problem. I can help them launch and distribute their systems. Because मेरे पास distribution बनाया है.
बिल्कुल.
At least India में तो है ठीक ठाक distribution. So I can tell at least 1,000 people that a new product is available. Have a look at it. And because I say they will give time to that. Otherwise they will not.
Correct.
So that's only thing we are doing right now.
So tell me something. You mentioned that you are a solution provider, but mechanical engineer to a solution provider, there are two aspects. One, जो आपने खुद एक्सपीरियंस करा, दूसरा जो आपकी फैमिली ने एक्सपीरियंस करा. तो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट व्हाट यू एक्सपीरियंस फर्स्ट एंड देन वील टॉक अबाउट हाउ द फैमिली रिएक्टेड टू इट, बिकॉज यू कम फ्रॉम अ बनिया फैमिली, तो उनके लिए वो चीज़ एक बहुत ही डिफरेंट रही होगी बिफोर यू स्टार्टेड अर्निंग फ्रॉम द वेबिनार्स.
सो आई थिंक फैमिली में ना बहुत प्रॉब्लम नहीं था, बिकॉज माई फादर इज द काइंड ऑफ गाय, जो भी करना करो कुछ गलत मत करना, and make enough money that you survive and thrive.
Correct.
Right? So I think there were in between a period of 2-3 years where you struggle when you completely change from industry to industry. That happened. There were some restrictions. There were some conversations that were very hard to have. But that's okay. It's a part of process again.
Correct.
Right? You suddenly do something very very different. But think of it today. एक टाइम था इंडिया में जब मोची का बेटा मोची होता था,
बिल्कुल.
सुनार का बेटा सुनार होता था,
बिल्कुल.
और एक्चुअली में नाम के आगे लिखा जाता था
बिल्कुल
सौरभ सुनार या ऐसे
Absolutely.
करके, राइट?
Correct.
ओके, मोची करके शूज का एक बहुत बड़ा ब्रांड भी है.
बिल्कुल.
बट अगर मैं किसी और को बोलूंगा ना आज एक मोची के बेटे को मोची बोलूंगा तो वो बुरा मान जाएगा.
बिल्कुल.
बट अगर मोची ब्रांड नेम है तो उसको तो बुरा नहीं लग रहा.
बिल्कुल.
करेक्ट. सो आई हर्ड दिस सो मेनी टाइम्स के इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा लोहार है टाटा और सबसे बड़ा मोची है बाटा. Now do you want to be a lohar and a mochi?
Correct.
Yes.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
Now people want to, right?
Absolutely.
Somebody in India ended up creating a momos brand like that's more than 1,000 crore company. Wow momos, right? था तो मोमोज ही रोड साइड पे बिकता था.
बिल्कुल.
अब या तो आप वो 3,000 रुपए कमा के घर चले जाओ महीने के दिन के, या फिर 800 करोड़ की कंपनी बना लो.
बिल्कुल.
Doesn't matter anything. It's a period of time when people will not believe in you, and then they will see success. They will
बिल्कुल.
say, wow.
Right.
हमें पता था ये कुछ तो कर लेगा.
हाँ.
He was different.
Right.
बट भाई पहले तो तुम्हें गालियां दे रहे थे.
एग्जैक्टली.
Correct.
मतलब जब हमको सबसे ज्यादा सपोर्ट की जरूरत होती है, उस टाइम पे वो चीज मिलना एक बहुत बड़ी चीज है.
बट आई थिंक यू नो व्हाट, जब वो सपोर्ट की जरूरत नहीं मिलता ना, वो हमारा करेक्टर बिल्ड कर रहा होता है.
वो हमें सिखाता भी बहुत
That's
कुछ
a character when you become strong and strong enough.
हाँ.
That's how you find your strength. Mental, physical, emotional, every aspect.
करेक्ट.
And you learn to, you get into a process of learning yourself. There's nobody to teach, but you figure out things. That figure out is entrepreneurship, I think. Nobody has figured it out all.
करेक्ट.
Correct. Somebody is creating content first, then building a $1 billion company like Physics Wala. And then somebody is like Nikhil Kamath who first created a $1 billion company and then creating content. It can be any way.
Absolutely.
Everybody has figured it out different ways, right? So, but yes, I'm still looking forward to startups building legacy companies like Infosys or Tata or Birla. वो अभी तक मुझे किसी में दिखता नहीं है. Maybe even Sharks. I don't see that. Is that happening or not? That kind of a thought process is there or not?
करेक्ट.
Like a 3-generational mindset of building a company.
राइट.
Is there or not? वो अभी तक नहीं दिखता है कहीं पे.
बाहर, इंडिया में नहीं, बाहर.
Tesla, yes.
टेस्ला. ठीक है. सो वी अंडरस्टूड फैमिली वाला पार्ट, बट आपको खुद को क्या फील होता था उस टाइम में? डर लगता था किसी चीज से?
ओ बहुत.
मतलब इट टेक्स अ टोल ऑन एन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स माइंड व्हेन एक स्टेबल जॉब की तरफ हम बढ़ सकते हैं या फिर एक स्ट्रगल की तरफ हम बढ़ सकते हैं.
देखो अच्छी बात ये थी कि मेरी जॉब ऐसी तो थी नहीं कि 2-3 लाख रुपए महीना दे रही थी. इट वाज स्टिल 30-40,000 पेइंग मैकेनिकल इंडस्ट्री जॉब, राइट? सो आई वाज लाइक ये तो कभी मिल जाएगी, राइट? वन, दैट वाज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. सेकंड, बिकॉज वी हैड अ फैमिली बैकिंग, अ गुड फैमिली बिजनेस. अगर फैमिली बिजनेस में बैठेंगे लाख रुपए महीना तब भी कमा लेंगे.
बिल्कुल.
सो सर्वाइवल वाज नॉट अ इशू. आई वाज सेफ इन दैट मोड. नॉट एवरीबडी इज, राइट? आई नो लॉट ऑफ, सी देखो सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम तब आता है जब आपके पास बेसिक खाने पीने के पैसे नहीं है.
बिल्कुल.
अगर आप उस लेवल तक चले जाते हो ना, एंड आई हैव सीन दोज डेज व्हेन आई वाज ट्रैवलिंग. सो समटाइम यू वांट टू ट्रैवल फॉर बिजनेस, बट दैट होटल इज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. इवन इफ इट इज 800 रूम्स और योर रूम,
करेक्ट.
दैट साउंड्स वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. तो आपको चूज करना पड़ता है कि 800 रुपए में अच्छा खाना खा ले, एक कॉफी पी ले किसी क्लाइंट के साथ बैठ के, या रूम में रह ले. सो वी यूज्ड टू बुक आवर ट्रैवल इन अ वे दैट यू नीड नॉट स्टे एनीवेयर.
बिल्कुल.
तो अगर 11 बजे खत्म कर रहे हो, वहां से एयरपोर्ट जाओ, सुबह 4 बजे दिल्ली वापस आ जाओ.
बिल्कुल.
एंड देन एयरपोर्ट से ही दिल्ली साउथ दिल्ली आके मीटिंग्स कर लो. सो द प्लेस वी आर सिटिंग एट हियर राइट नाउ, यहाँ से पास में ही वो साकेत डी ब्लॉक मार्केट है. आई स्पेंट गुड 6 years ऑफ माय लाइफ देयर वर्किंग फ्रॉम कैफेज एंड होटल चैरिटन एंड ऑल. सो आई थिंक एवरी पेनी यू लर्न फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट दैट टाइम.
करेक्ट.
आपको फ्रूगैलिटी क्या होती है, उसको जब फ्रूगल बोलते हैं ना, वो होता क्या है? बिकॉज आई सी अ लॉट ऑफ बिग ब्रांड पेजेस टुडे. The kind of content they're producing is spending too much money on that with least possible impact. So let's say if this is a product, right, and I just rotate this bottle 10 times and shoot a video out of it.
Correct.
What value is it adding to anybody? It is looking fancy only.
Correct.
Then I can create a CGI video which will cost me 2.5 lakh rupees. This bottle will be equal to the size of Burj Khalifa standing in Dubai or
Bilkul.
falling out of Burj Khalifas.
Yes.
It can be anything.
Right.
It is looking entertaining but adding zero value to anybody. Right? Rather than I should create videos के पानी पीने का फायदा क्या होता है?
Right.
Right?
But don't you think उसको फैंसी बनाने से एटलीस्ट दे आर गेटिंग आई बॉल्स जो कि शायद कॉम्पिटिटर्स से
शॉर्ट लिव्ड है ना, ऑर्गेनिक ग्रोथ नहीं होगा ना, शॉर्ट लिव्ड है बहुत. आज लोग देख लेंगे एंड दे विल बी हैप्पी अबाउट इट, लाइक वाओ थोड़ा बहुत शेयरिंग होगा, एक हफ्ते में खत्म हो जाएगा.
करेक्ट.
My LinkedIn posts are being shared and being commented on and engaged on for more than 2 years.
Right.
Why? Because that content still makes sense.
Right.
Idea is that. Correct.
It's similar to जैसे कुछ मीम्स बहुत ज्यादा वायरल हो जाते हैं
हाँ.
बट दे हैव अ वेरी शॉर्ट लाइफ स्पैन.
Exactly.
वो जैसे ही लाइफ स्पैन
हाँ.
खत्म हुआ दे बिकम
Yeah.
इररिलेवेंट.
So think of it like कि आपको अब हर महीने नया मीम ढूंढना है वायरल जाने के लिए, right? Okay. There's no consistency in adding value.
Correct.
So yes, there are products where you cannot actually add value. Right? If you see companies like let's say Zomato or Swiggy or let's say Durex, right? Their marketing campaigns are so amazing that they are becoming case studies.
Absolutely.
So they go viral.
Right.
Again,
Right.
they're adding value to all the marketers community that okay ऐसे भी marketing होता है.
Correct.
There's a different form of doing it, but they're still doing it.
Right.
वैल्यू तो ऐड हो रहा है ना कहीं ना कहीं
Absolutely.
पे.
बिल्कुल.
So there is a marketing community that is like created by one of the persons from Masters Union. She runs a separate marketing community. वहाँ पे रोज ये केस स्टडीज डिस्कस हो रहे होते हैं. Like this is a marketing that happened and this is amazing.
Like if we talk about social समोसा
Yeah.
या social
Correct.
media dissect,
Yes.
तो वहाँ पे सारी चीजें इन्हीं सब चीजों के बारे में बात हो रही होती है कि अच्छा जोमेटो का ये कैंपेन हुआ है. If you turn like
Exactly.
see the comments,
Yes.
they're talking about these things only.
Pages like Marketing Minds, they talk about these things,
Correct,
right? Okay. So एक ad बनती है but वो कितने सारे pages पे वायरल जा रही है as a case study.
Correct.
ब्रांड प्रमोशन तो फिर भी हो रहा है.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
Right? Plus a case study for the marketers to study and okay ये भी हो सकता है. For people like me, it's food for every day.
बिल्कुल.
तो आई थिंक फ्रुगैलिटी एक एंटरप्रेन्योर तभी सीखता है जब उसके पास पैसा नहीं होता है. एंड अगर वो वहां से बड़ा बनता है ना तो वो बाद में भी रेलेवेंट चीजें ही करता है.
बिल्कुल. लेट्स कम बैक टू प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग. स्टार्टअप्स जब आते हैं सो दे हैव सर्टेन पैरामीटर्स एंड जब हमारी लास्ट टाइम बात हुई थी तो वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट ग्रोथ एंड स्पीड एंड वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट 1x to 10x स्पीड. बहुत सारे लोगों के लिए ये चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा वाइल्ड लगेगी या फिर बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसा लगेगा कि ख्याली पुलाव वाली चीज़ है. तो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट ग्रोथ फॉर अ स्टार्टअप. लाइक व्हाट अकॉर्डिंग टू यू देयर लाइक ऑफ कोर्स देयर आर सर्टेन पैरामीटर्स, देयर आर लाइक revenue, sales, EBITDA, a lot of parameters are there. So उनके अलावा what is growth for a startup and then what is speed for a startup. So I want you to talk about that also.
I would say for someone like me, ignorance is bliss. I never got involved myself into all these terms, right? And I don't, correct? Because the more terminologies you know, the more you are afraid of them, right? Do you think a 22-year-old entrepreneur will know all these terms in detail?
No.
No, right?
Not at all.
But I have seen those startups more successful. 22, 23, 24-year-old creators earning in profits
Absolutely.
30, 40 lakhs a month.
Correct.
Make sense or not? Do you think they know this? No.
No, they do not.
They only focus on 2 things. Content and distribution.
Correct.
Right? And consistency. Right? So it is CDC for them. Content, distribution, consistency, repeat.
Right.
They're in a loop. They hire a nice CFO. भाई बाकी तू देख. Correct?
बिल्कुल.
Right? Okay.
Right.
So I have seen a YouTuber, a very good friend of ours, you know, in the community. He comes from a very small village of UP. And I think this year he has spent over 10 crores in luxuries.
My God.
Buying a 1.5 crore car.
And this is coming just from the content creation.
Yeah, 7 crore bungalow in Gurgaon. Having a proper कोठी in गाँव. And उसके आगे वो खाट बिछा के फिर बैठा होता है. You know, If you see that, you will understand how passionate that guy is about content. But हाँ, वो जर्नी आसान नहीं था.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
हमारे पास ये स्टूडियो है, सब कुछ है. उसने क्या किया था, अपने घर के स्टेयर से उधर बीच में एक छोटा सा बड़ा फ्लैट एरिया आता है.
बिल्कुल.
उसने वहां पे हरा पर्दा लगा के घटिया से मोबाइल से स्टूल के ऊपर रख के he started from there. People don't do that.
करेक्ट.
Like ये ऐसे कैसे करूं, मेरे पास तो स्टूडियो नहीं है.
बिल्कुल.
He did that when he was even looking bad. Now he looks the smartest guy on the planet, maybe. Right? We have examples like tech burners, right? Like physics वाला का जब भी example आता है,
बिल्कुल.
I always say YouTube to unicorn.
हाँ.
It's a journey, right?
बिल्कुल.
It was a journey of content. Then
Correct.
somebody came, he said, okay, let's infuse. Today they have 7,000 people working for them. But आप start कर रहे हो क्या?
बिल्कुल.
पहले
नहीं कर
2
रहे हो.
साल उनके YouTube चैनल पे व्यूज नहीं होते थे.
बिल्कुल.
बट अब 2 साल की कंसिस्टेंसी है क्या?
वही
सो
वाला तो-
इग्नोरेंस इज ब्लिस, पहली
हाँ,
चीज
correct.
तो, राइट? ओके, इतना ज्यादा इन्वॉल्व मत हो इन सब चीजों में. दूसरी चीज, लेट मी गिव एन एनालॉजी टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस एक्स ग्रोथ एंड स्केलेबिलिटी एंड स्पीड, राइट? सो आई हैव कंसिस्टेंटली ट्रैवल फ्रॉम दिल्ली टू चंडीगढ़. So Faridabad to Chandigarh. So Faridabad to Delhi, my home, this is 20 kilometers. Where the Delhi starts, Delhi
है.
border starts.
ठीक
20
है.
kilometers. आज से 10 साल पहले इसको कवर करने में 45 मिनट्स लगते थे.
बिल्कुल.
Right? Because there was no flyovers and all. Then Faridabad became a smart city. All the flyovers came in. अभी इसी को कवर करने में 15 मिनट लगते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
But there is a Bata flyover that might eat up 20 minutes alone. It's only 1 kilometer.
बिल्कुल.
Correct? नाउ जो उस बाटा फ्लावर को क्रॉस कर देगा वो आगे 20 मिनट में पहुंच जाएगा दिल्ली बॉर्डर तक.
बिल्कुल.
बट जो अभी स्टार्ट हुआ है बाटा फ्लावर वो स्टक है.
बिल्कुल.
आपको क्या लगता है इन दोनों की ग्रोथ में कोई प्रॉब्लम है?
नहीं.
नहीं है.
नहीं है.
टाइमिंग का प्रॉब्लम है खाली.
बिल्कुल.
इट्स अ टाइमिंग इशू ओनली.
Absolutely.
ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज कीप काम, consistently drive at a speed of 5 km per hour. For next 15 minutes you will cross this flyover
हाँ.
and then you have a highway, correct?
बिल्कुल.
Then you come to Delhi. Now this border of Delhi to another border of Delhi, where you hit Haryana again, it is 40 kilometers. That 40 kilometers can be half an hour in the early morning time.
बिल्कुल.
That 40 kilometers can be 3.5 hours in the afternoon peak time.
Absolutely.
Is there any problem in growth or the driving skills or anything?
No.
So what happens is when people are moving slow because of traffic, they don't start doubting their driving skills.
Right. Right.
Right. But I have seen people who go impatient because of the traffic, who lose their temper because of the traffic, and I have seen people who enjoy that. Okay, फंसे तो वो ये गाने अच्छे सुन लेते हैं,
Correct.
कुछ खा लेते हैं,
हाँ.
right? Okay, let's
Right.
grab a cup of coffee in between,
Absolutely.
right? But as soon as you cross that border, now there is a 250 kilometer long highway. You need not apply brakes.
Correct.
You can straightforward grow, right? Now that needs another level of skill where you can drive super fast.
Correct.
120 kilometers per hour, you're consistently driving. If at that space, if you lose focus or patience or temper, you will kill yourself and somebody else also.
Correct.
There is no problem in your skill.
It's just about
Because अगर आपको
focus.
ड्राइविंग स्किल प्रॉब्लम होता ना, पहले ड्राइवर लेके जाते.
बिल्कुल.
Correct or not?
बिल्कुल.
And
बिल्कुल.
I'm telling that because I met an accident because somebody lost sleep on that highway. And he got almost entire of my family killed. But हम बच गए.
हाँ.
Right? So I have like it's been 15 years of driving on that highway consistently. So you need to understand where is your traffic. Now your traffic can be finance. Your traffic can be you don't have a team who can operate that fast as good as you. Your traffic can be that entire machinery that you have created, the entire business plan you have created is not very efficient, right? And your traffic can be that you are a newbie driver and you bang every 10 kilometers.
Correct.
And then you have to stop. And your machinery can be, क्योंकि जब भी आप लॉन्ग रूट पे जाते हो ना, I always take my car to a mechanic. 10 मिनट भाई प्लीज ऑब्जर्व इट,
हाँ.
हवा चेक कर ले, ये कर ले, टैंक फुल है, सब कुछ, राइट? नाउ थिंक ऑफ इट, यू थॉट के ओके टैंक ना आगे फुल करा लेंगे, बट अब दिल्ली में 3.5 घंटे का ट्रैफिक जाम लग गया,
वहीं पे फंस
और
गया.
अगर बीच में फ्यूल खत्म हो गया, किसकी गलती है?
बिल्कुल
ना
हमारी
तो
गलती.
ट्रैफिक की गलती है ना किसी और की. सो वी आर नॉट enough prepared also sometimes, and these kind of mistakes when you fall down they prepare you for the next attempt.
Correct.
So there is always a next attempt, right? So I think people should play it as a game, not as a stress, not as a competition.
Correct.
Problem is competition. वो Shark Tank गया, मुझे भी जाना है.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
Correct. The problem is all these social tags is giving mental stress, not the business.
Right.
उसको टॉप वॉइस मिला, मेरे पास क्यों नहीं है, मेरे तो ज़्यादा फॉलोअर्स हैं.
हम्म.
आई हैव सीन पीपल गोइंग मैड कि मेरा लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल बंद हो गया. मैंने कहा आज बंद कर दो, मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता, मेरे फोन में 10,000 फोन नंबर्स हैं. आई मेक कॉल, आई स्टिल डू बिजनेस.
Correct.
राइट.
हम्म.
We don't care about it because we have created digital, but we know the offline also. We know how to go out on a bus stop and network with people and still get business done.
Correct.
I know how to sit in a 5-star lobby and talk to 10 people there sipping a cup of coffee and invite them to my table and then do business. सब किया है मैंने. So I've worked on ground, I have worked offline, online, I have worked outside India, inside India. यहाँ पे सारा काम आता है human psychology को understand करने का.
बिल्कुल.
But who speaks what, right?
Hmm.
If you go to Paris and France, people love to sit much closer. That's how they will trust you.
Okay.
In India, they would want a 2 feet space
Correct.
to trust you.
Correct.
Correct? In Dubai, they will not like to talk much. They're like, okay, let's talk straight business professionally and move out. They won't be having fun and beers and coffees with you.
Correct.
Correct?
Correct.
Punjab, sit on beer first.
बिल्कुल.
Talk later. Anything else.
बिल्कुल.
Right? Doesn't matter to
Correct.
them. Correct. So I think जितना भी growth का part है, if you want to have speed, you should be prepared with everything. Good tires, good fuel, good driving skills. Right?
Right.
Prepare on smaller highways first. That's where I say, don't think of कि आज ही unicorn बना दूंगा.
हाँ.
When it is your first attempt, take it like a first attempt, no?
बिल्कुल.
Correct?
Correct.
And enjoy the journey. Enjoy the mistakes also. Don't stress it up. Right? So like, I am a person who always thinks of scale, building a unicorn. Yes, I do. Correct. But I should be able to find good enough problem जिसको tech में convert करके वो scalable धंधा हो सकता है.
बिल्कुल.
So what I do now, because I have already VC friends and tech people as friends, whenever I have a problem solving idea, I go to them first. And they'll rip that idea apart.
बिल्कुल.
I feel disheartened for half an hour. I'm like, okay, I'll find the next idea. In maybe 1 year, 2 year, I might find a good hit. And all these people are still there.
बिल्कुल.
हो सकता है 6 महीने में यूनिकॉर्न बन जाए.
बिल्कुल.
Because I'm preparing myself for
Right.
that long run.
बिल्कुल.
Correct. So for me, the long run is once you leave me from that border of Haryana, I can drive 7 to 8 hours straight and reach Manali within 8 hours. That's my skill is today in driving.
Absolutely.
After how many years? 15, 20 years. So don't compare your first chapter with somebody's 10 chapter.
Absolutely.
Comparison वहाँ भी चलता है.
बिल्कुल.
So I think ये जो 10x growth है, scale है, this is all about how prepared you are. So one of my masters told me this one thing. He said, success is nothing but preparation, meeting and opportunity. So prepared person multiplied by an opportunity is equal to success. Now you define what is your success. There is no definition to it. Very subjective matter of success. Right? So people can tell me I'm successful. My father will say, तूने किया क्या अभी?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल एकदम सही पॉइंट आपने पकड़ा है. सो आई हैव दिस पर्सनल स्टोरी. सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग माय ओन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जर्नी आई वाज वर्किंग विद अ कंपनी एंड आई वाज अर्निंग गुड. तो लाइक पहली जॉब थी और मैं ऐसी पैसे आते थे, कुछ चीज़ खरीदने में ख़त्म कर देता. तो लगभग 1-2 साल काम करने के बाद पापा एक दिन मेरे पास आए, मुझसे बोलते कि बता तेरी कितनी सेविंग्स हुई हैं. मतलब सेविंग्स तो कुछ नहीं हुई है कि तो फिर इतने सालों से कमा क्या रहा है तू.
हाँ.
तो वही सेम चीज मेरे को तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि आई एम गेटिंग न्यू शूज, आई एम गेटिंग अ न्यू वॉच, एवरीथिंग. फॉर हिम सक्सेस वाज ओनली हैविंग अ गुड अमाउंट इन द बैंक. तो completely agree. Now you mentioned about distribution. So I think a lot of viewers will also have this question कि जब हम distribution की बात करते हैं ना तो हम हमेशा product की बारे में सोचते हैं. But service में distribution and that too in content, how are these things two different things or are they the same thing, just two different paths? Like,
see, distribution is very, very simple. You need to understand that even if you create a product, a service or content, a piece of content, if a lot of people are not able to see that, so I see distribution or viewership as a top of the funnel. So let's say if I create a piece of a good story telling about, let's say, Harsh. Okay, I met Harsh and this is his story. I create this entire piece of content. Now, a lot will matter that how that story is being written. Is it really exciting to read? Really interesting to read or not?
Okay.
It can be written in कि okay, ये हर्ष है, 2018 में उसने ये किया, 19 में उसने ये किया, 20 में उसने ये किया. People say okay, ठीक है.
ठीक है.
But then I write it like, okay, I met her, she's a great guy, he did this, then it was a mistake, then this happened. So there's a lows and highs in that entire story, right? Okay.
Correct.
There's a suspense in that I leave. So that's the entire area of story creation, right? Okay. And then let's say I post on LinkedIn, Facebook, some Facebook groups, some of the community groups that all the links goes and all. Then what will happen? According to the way the story has written, people will start engaging on it. That engaging will create a lot of viewership. That out of those viewership, there might be some brand who's looking for similar stories.
Correct.
They will come to Saurabh, you wrote a story and we need similar stories. So this is how we got one of the unicorn clients. I wrote my own story in a carousel post. It was 39 pages. It went viral. And we were like, we want to read more.
Okay.
Correct.
Right.
So think of it, जितना हमने अभी तक बात किया पिछले 1 घंटे में, this was written in a carousel post. And after 1.5, 2 years, it still gets likes or hits or comments, right? And when somebody asks me, okay, what's your story? मैंने कहा ये पढ़ लो पहले इसको. Right? Now I wrote it because of that only.
Correct.
So content distribution is a funny game, right? It can blow things up. It can completely implode things. Like वो बिल्कुल ही बर्बाद भी कर सकती है. आपको खाली ये समझना है that it is distributed to right set of audience. अंधा distribution भी नहीं करना है.
Correct.
Right?
Right.
Service, product, B2B, B2C, no matter the ticket size, everything can be sold depending upon the platform, the audience, and the right set of distribution.
Now let's talk about Success Brew as a community. So before Success Brew as a community, let's talk about office or a co-working space as micro communities. We have seen examples जहाँ पे people have found their co-founders while sitting in a cafeteria. Offices में भी we have seen similar employees साथ में काम कर रहे थे and now they've started out. I think Flipkart is one of the examples.
Lot of startups are similar examples.
Correct. So let's talk about the micro communities and the benefits of those micro communities. फिर उसके बाद we'll jump to Success Brew and what all things we can get.
So I think co-working spaces has always, think of it like a college where people from different industry streams, right? Okay, so if it is engineering college, वहाँ पे computer science भी है, IT भी है, mechanical भी है, electronics भी है.
बिल्कुल.
They come together and study, and that is where they can exchange a lot of notes. Because engineering में कुछ भी pure mechanical नहीं है, pure electronics नहीं है. They are all mix always.
Right.
And in today's time when we are talking about EVs and all, तो उसमें computer science का भी बहुत role है, IT का भी बहुत role है. Everything is there.
Correct.
And nowadays you can actually like plug one thing into a car and diagnose कि इसमें problem कहाँ है.
बिल्कुल. OBD devices.
Everything happens, right? So I think co-working spaces play a similar role where people from different industry verticals, different companies, different brands come together,
right?
And they're working and they meet offline. Maybe in the cafeteria, maybe having a smoke break or over the drinks,
right?
And that's where they exchange notes.
Correct.
And a lot of business happens.
Correct.
You think of co-work, finding co-founders, or I have seen people getting married.
Yes,
on LinkedIn
absolutely.
also, right?
Correct.
Okay. So I think before pandemic, it was flourishing anyway. The pandemic stopped the entire culture, but I think any startup who's thinking of, let's say, incubation, I think rather than running after incubation, find a nice co-working space where bigger companies are available.
Correct.
So think of it, if you are in a co-working space where Aman Gupta is already building. Think of it. And it happened sometime. Like he started from a social, right? A co-working space.
Absolutely.
Don't you think he will basically interact with you, become friends with you?
Right.
You don't know who is the next unicorn founder sitting in a co-working space.
Correct.
So I think never underestimate that space, and that's a good investment. The problem happens is when people in a co-working space just stay in their cabins.
Yeah.
They don't work out of their cafeteria and all. They don't interact with people, right? I have seen somebody in Noida, like one of the D2C founders, and she was like, oh, I want to do some sampling, this, that. I'm like, how many people are sitting in a co-working space? She said, 300. What are you doing?
Correct.
What kind of a sampling do you need more? 300 people who know you. He said, I don't want to disturb them. I said, go early morning, drop gift packs like a Santa every table.
Correct.
Who will stop you?
Correct. No one.
The co-working space founder knows you, right? Okay. And anyways, a co-working doesn't have a problem with that because at the end, you are paying them already. For what? Community.
Correct.
Right?
Correct.
Okay. You host a community event for them. talk to the co-working space, host the event,
Right.
रात को party रखो.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
So you need to be very active in that collaborative environment. So I say that it's an environment. Even in our community groups, what we have created is an environment of collaboration, of support, of helping each other. It's a culture, right? I think a small role is from the co-working space itself is required, but if you are not doing an initiative, nothing helps you out.
You've worked with a lot of co-working. You have contacts with a lot of co-working spaces. So what makes you think कि this particular co-working space is better, or this particular co-working space is not something which people should go to, or how do we choose a good co-working space?
Okay, I think you will find again co-working spaces में there's a lot of range of co-working spaces again, right? There are co-working spaces जहाँ पे you will find only freelancers working, right? But if you are a startup, you are a client to them, not anything else to them.
Correct.
Right? Okay. If you are a human kind of a brand, let's say you are into a D2C brand, food brand, everybody is your customer anyway,
Right.
So you can be anywhere. But I think you should find some mature spaces where established companies are working. If you are a growing startup, that's where you will get expertise. Think of it, another e-commerce brand working who is completely different of your category, and this place is where the entire e-commerce operations run. The AVP or VP of e-commerce is sitting there.
Right.
Why don't you have a chit chat? Like they might end up investing in you.
Absolutely.
You don't need to find an investor.
Correct.
So I think again it's an experiment. You need to go out, meet people, talk to them, right? So just giving an example, I just recently changed my flat in Chandigarh, right? Now I finalized one कि okay, this is what I like. Then I spoke to 10 families there about the society, what happens in the society. इस घर में धूप अच्छी आती है क्या? Right? You need to check everything that you need, right, from the residents.
Right.
Because a co-working space owner can tell you anything. उसको तो बेचने से मतलब है.
Correct.
Right?
Right.
Let me say he's a devil right now. But you should be able to walk into that door, knock the door and ask, okay, I'm gonna come here. I might be a neighbor soon. Who are you?
Absolutely correct.
Correct or not?
Right.
So I found out the guy who lives next door to me, you know, in the flat number, different flat. He is a North India head of an NBFC company.
Wow.
I'm like a best guy for me. We'll be friends.
हाँ,
Right? इसको फंडिंग देना है, हमें चाहिए. Correct or not? Right? Okay. Another guy who lives just the second floor to me, he's a real estate guy. Like, okay, you will teach me how to invest in real estate in Punjab.
Correct.
The only thing I have to do next is set my home, invite both the families for a good dinner.
Correct.
Now, from the society perspective, the entire society did Jagran. So society events are like that.
बिल्कुल,
Right?
बिल्कुल.
तो उन्होंने जागरण भी किया and like रात को 10 बजे के बाद सारे बच्चे गार्डन में खेल रहे होते हैं. Now it's up to me that I can walk up to that small group and say, okay, मैं भी तुम्हारे साथ ऊनो खेल लूं क्या?
हाँ बिल्कुल.
Well, you have to take that initiative. They will not say no to it.
Correct.
Right? They might say कि okay अभी एक गेम चल रहा है हमारे साथ बैठ जाओ नेक्स्ट गेम में तुमको इन्वॉल्व कर लेंगे.
Right.
बट आपको आधे घंटे का पेशेंस है क्या?
नहीं.
So it is all about you taking that initiative. Also, co-working is an environment. It's built. It's equal for everyone. Similarly, a lot of people ask me, okay, सौरभ ये event है जाएं क्या?
हाँ.
मैंने कहा मत जाओ. If you have this question, मत जाओ.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
Because आप वहाँ जाके भी सिर्फ जज करोगे, कुछ नहीं करोगे.
करेक्ट. इंटरेक्शन नहीं होगा तो फिर तो
इंटरेक्शन नहीं होगा, आप सिर्फ जज करोगे. अरे क्या स्पीकर है, इससे अच्छा तो मैं ही बोल लेता.
हाँ,
भाई तो
बिल्कुल.
होता ना वहाँ पे फिर.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली.
अभी मत जज करो.
हाँ
Once you are there, then you speak. अभी वो स्पीकर है, सुन लो.
बिल्कुल.
नहीं सुनना, बाहर जाओ, सुट्टा मारो, नेटवर्किंग करो. That's best.
Absolutely.
चाय पियो, कॉफी पे ले जाओ. See, we have done this. The event is not going nice. Pick up 10 people. चल भाई डिनर करने चलते हैं.
हाँ.
Let's go have dinner. You know, you find frequency in 10 people.
हाँ एब्सोल्युटली.
वहाँ पे 200 लोग हैं, आपको 5 लोग अच्छे लग गए, ग्रुप बन गया लंच के टाइम पे. एक काम करते हैं, रात को डिनर करने चलते हैं. We have done business with them. मुझे इवेंट से लेना ही कुछ नहीं. 5 good people, we are good.
एब्सोल्युटली.
So ये इवेंट अच्छा है क्या, ये कोर्स अच्छा है क्या? मैंने कहा इसमें से तू कुछ अच्छा निकाल लेगा, ये बता.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
राइट.
हाँ.
सो एनवायरनमेंट अच्छी चीज ये है इन टुडेज टाइम. आई थिंक इतने रिसोर्स कभी भी अवेलेबल नहीं थे पूरी इकोनॉमी में. लाइक आफ्टर शार्क टैंक यू हैव सो मेनी एग्जांपल्स ऑफ what is the investor looking at. It can be exaggerated a little as per the entertainment channel. That's their job to do.
Correct.
But you can still pick up some insights. Even if not, you like, let's say out of those 30-40 episodes, you like 5 startup founders. क्या प्रॉब्लम है लिंक्डइन पे जाके उनको मैसेज करके एक हम्बल अप्रोच करने में?
बिल्कुल.
3 of them may not respond.
टू विन.
डोंट जज देम.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
बिजी भी तो हो सकते हैं ना.
हाँ सबसे पहले तो यही कर, मेरा रिप्लाई नहीं कर रहा है.
नहीं पता है क्या आता है. हाँ अब तो ये शार्क टैंक वाला हो गया, अब क्यों रिप्लाई करेगा.
Correct.
अरे भाई नहीं होगा टाइम उसके पास,
हाँ.
नहीं एक्टिव होगा लिंक्डइन पे, बहुत सारे लोग हैं.
बिल्कुल.
करेक्ट.
Hmm.
बट देन somebody might reply also.
Hmm.
राइट. आई नेवर न्यू देयर आर शार्क टैंक फाउंडर सिटिंग इन आवर कम्युनिटी. मुझे पता ही नहीं था. साइलेंट बैठे रहते हैं बहुत सारे लोग, 250-300 लोग. आई डोंट नो एवरीवन एंड एवरी
Correct.
टाइम. राइट.
Correct.
आई हैव मेट, आई हैव स्पोकन टू देम, बट आई आल्सो फॉरगेट समटाइम्स, दे आल्सो फॉरगेट मी समटाइम्स. फिर उनको कुछ चाहिए होता है तो वो आते हैं घूम फिर के. राइट. बट देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल, सो सब लोग बिजी हैं. मैं भी कभी कभी रिप्लाई नहीं कर पाता. देयर आर 28 ग्रुप्स, दैट इज माय ओनली कम्युनिटी. देन देयर आर अनदर 48 ग्रुप्स, डिफरेंट कम्युनिटीज.
Correct.
देन क्लाइंट ग्रुप्स. कितना रिस्पॉन्ड कर लोगे.
बिल्कुल.
And the startup founder who's recently got funding is on fire anyway.
Right.
Be humble with them. Right?
So you mentioned about Shark Tank. So like, do you watch Shark Tank?
Very little.
So when you watch Shark Tank, do you watch it as a reality show or something related to startups? Because मैंने जितना शार्क टैंक देखा है, मेरे को लाइक आई डोंट गेट द स्टार्टअप वाली फीलिंग वहाँ से. आई गेट दिस स्पेशली द इंडियन वन. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि इट्स मोर ऑफ अ रियलिटी शो देन अ कम्युनिटी या फिर देन अ प्रोग्राम विच इज हेल्पिंग स्टार्टअप्स. व्हाट इज योर थॉट ऑन?
I think first season मैंने पूरा देखा था, उसके बाद मैंने नहीं देखा ज़्यादा.
हाँ.
And this time one of our community members show went live, so we watched it.
हाँ.
Especially that only one pitch,
Pital.
nothing else. So I think see, entertainment as an industry was created to send a message out in the community. Community is the entire population. So if you see movies that were built in 80s or 60s or 70s, they had a message, a social message basically, right? So similarly, I think Shark Tank is sending out a social message to a lot of people who don't believe in the industry that this is possible. The best part is that any startup founder that is coming out of Shark Tank also, you can connect with them and know the reality if you wish to.
Correct.
The reality show happens after Shark Tank actually. So not every deal that they show on camera goes through, because there's a lot of due diligence that has to happen. अभी
Correct.
बहुत सारे legal work pending है.
Absolutely.
वो तो on camera तो कुछ भी हो सकता है ना.
Correct.
Right? Okay.
वो तो, हाँ.
But you will understand the kind of industry is coming. How are people bringing in ideas? Right? If you think of, let's say, fast fashion, there are still many companies who are making mark, but then why snitch? So you, again, it's your discovery that you have to spend time. So when I was discovering after 2018, I ended up watching 700 GB worth of content on YouTube. Right? So सुबह 9 बजे बैठना है, सिर्फ content देखना है. And I have these many notebooks, written notes, like a MBA school. So 700 GB content क्या होता है? उसको consume करना, उसको analyze करना, notes लेना, and then coming out with 3 topics: content, community, and courses.
Right.
That was the entire conclusion. Okay, now start.
Right. So when you talk about this, you've consumed 700 GB of data. What actually you were looking at? Like for example, a normal person would see कि हाँ ठीक है, इस बंदे ने acting, like just a vague example, कि इस बंदे ने acting अच्छी करी है, यहाँ पे इसका म्यूजिक अच्छा था, यहाँ पे स्टोरी अच्छी थी, let's say डायरेक्शन भी अच्छी थी, सब कुछ अच्छा था. दिस इज अ नॉर्मल पर्सन सीइंग. बट व्हेन अ पर्सन हु इज एक्चुअली स्टडिंग इट वुड सी कि अच्छा कैमरा एंगल ऐसे था, बीजीएम ऐसे था, स्टोरी के अंदर ट्विस्ट इस तरीके से आए, डायलॉग डिलीवरी ऐसी थी, ये सब. सो व्हेन यू वर स्टडिंग अबाउट the content, the 700 GB, what all points you were studying?
So इन चीज़ों में I was not looking for content creation. What I was looking for कि industry में हो क्या रहा है. What is happening in the edtech industry, online industry, right? Okay, how do we grow businesses in a digital format? I was looking for people like I'll name the channels I was watching that time. Impact Theory, Tom Beloy, right? Vishen Likhani, Mind Valley, and then Ever Coach by Mind Valley, and similar channels who are around personal growth, edtech, community and content, right? So I already had a basic idea of all this. So I chose these 7-8 channels, and then one of the biggest channel was Valuetainment by Patrick Bet-David.
Okay.
So initially, like around I think 2 years ago, he used to share a lot of case studies. He used to create an entire board, a blackboard with chalk and all.
Correct.
And he used to share a lot of case studies. So now he went into a lot of political content and podcast and economic and all, because he has grown that way. But I think those case studies impacted my life a lot, क्योंकि किस industry में क्या हो रहा है.
बिल्कुल.
So what I was looking at is a knowledge, a practical knowledge of a millionaire and a billionaire, कि ये लोग सोचते कैसे हैं. That is what I was looking at.
Right.
I was not looking at. So when Vishen Likhani says, okay, I was looking in terms of 30 years to build a company. Generational change लाना है मुझे किसी चीज में.
बिल्कुल.
And if you know, Mindvalley is a bootstrapped company. They never raised funds. It's a $400 million company today. Their culture is so amazing that most of their employees, when leave jobs, they're entrepreneurs. And Vishen Likhani invests in them first. And today I have seen any employee leaving the job, boss is becoming a competition to them rather than collaborating with them. And Vishen Likhani gave it in a very different way. He said, this person worked with me. I invested 5 years training them. Why should I let them go?
Exactly.
I'll invest in them. They are my
Correct.
best bet in terms of making more money.
Correct. Right.
So that culture, that thought process of a billionaire I learned. And that is what I learned in every piece of content. How is somebody who's creating it is thinking about it. So like from the perspective of Mindvalley, I learned that when we talk about EdTech or the course completion ratios, it is not about content.
Correct.
It is a voice frequency, because there's a certain level of frequency that connects people to watch the content.
Now let's come back to Success Brew, where we actually met. It was for the viewers. I just wanted you guys to know ki, so it was just a normal email that I got someday ki there's an event happening. I had no clue about Saurabh. I had no clue about Success Brew as a community. I didn't even know कि वहाँ पे होने क्या वाला है. It's just आज मेरे पास time है. Let's go there. So Saurabh was the first person I met there. Saurabh was the first person I interacted with, and he was so humble. He was humble enough to give me a shout out for a person जिससे वो पहली बार मिले हैं. And I still remember I was so worried कि should I reach out to you and talk about this, because हमने तो conversation में बात करी थी. You said कि I'll give you a shout out, but उसके बाद भी it happened after some time. I was very scared कि यार should I talk to that person again कि वो कि शायद उन्होंने ऐसे मजे में बोल दिया होगा या सच में. But he was very humble. He actually gave us a shout out as that. और उस दिन we actually saw a jump in the number of users that day and like coming days. So what is the history of Success Brew?
The history is similar. Like I started with courses and I understood one thing: whatever courses I have done, right? Once you complete the course, maybe in a physical setup, or for example, right? Okay, we paid how much money to our engineering colleges? 20 lakh, 25 lakh sometimes. For an MBA college, IIM or something like that, you pay 40-50 lakhs also. Can you reach out to that professor after 40 years and say, you know, I have a problem in my life and you taught me something and you should resolve it now? Is there an opportunity?
No.
There might be alumni network who knows you, might help, might not. There is no obligation to it. So I said, if somebody is trusting me today, no training can be implemented within 2 days.
Correct.
It takes time. For somebody it will be 1 year. For somebody it might be 10 years. I should be available. That's why I created every participant. I told there's a WhatsApp group available. You join that. You come to me after 10 years. I'll be there. Right?
Right.
That is how it started in 2018. That I should be there for you, first of all. That your training will not be taken away from you. Right? You want to repeat a course in the upgraded version, I will never charge you again. You paid me once, you're done. Right? The first training course that we created was only 700 rupees per person. And by God's grace, I think in the first batch, 15-20 people bought it. I was like very happy. So this is how it grew. And then we opened it for everyone. Ki, okay, theek hai, sab log aa rahe ho. Right? Initially, the name was also the Golchi Club community because it was around goal setting and all that stuff. Right? So it was a very random name, very random branding. Then we worked on Success Brew a lot, the branding side of things. So if you see this entire logo of Success Brew, you will see a plus sign in the bottom of the S that says adding value.
Okay.
Then this entire S is not a S, it is a sine curve. That's come from trigonometry.
Right.
So sine curve is a symbol of movement actually, that you're not dead.
Correct.
So anything that's walking is a sine curve.
Right.
Right. And there's a forward arrow.
Right.
That's moving forward, looking forward to everything. And it's very sharp actually, so that it cuts the challenges down. So it's a very spiritual logo created by 4 mystics. Right? So this entire logo was created by 4 different consultants. Numerology, astrology, dreams analysis, and a spiritual symbolic language understanding person. So if you see many logos of the planet, you will never understand what does it mean.
Correct.
राइट ओके फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमारे घर पे पंडित जी आते हैं हवन करने वो कुछ तो बनाते हैं आटे से पहले राइट
हाँ.
डू यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज दैट ऑल अबाउट नो इट इज नॉट जस्ट स्वास्तिक दे मेक 2 triangles and then an inverted
अच्छा,
triangle
okay,
on it
okay.
and all right
हाँ.
उसको वो हवन की बेदी बोलते हैं वैसे
Okay.
बट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट एंटायर सिंबल
No.
nobody actually
Nobody.
does right okay
Yeah.
अब किसी के लिए वो यंत्र है किसी के लिए वो तंत्र है किसी के लिए कुछ भी है but that has a symbolic understanding and energy to it and we spent good 4 months on this entire branding right then the logo and all so it was fun for us and I thought that it will be for 40 years and 50 years want to have a stable branding for this right and then it was for the company actually but then we were talking to some community builders and one of our friends very good friend Ritu Mittal she said I was like कि मैं क्या करूँ मैं same brand name रखूँ इनको अलग अलग चलाऊँ क्या करूँ she said it is already success brew name it brewery it is a success brewery now I'm like okay this sounds crazy awesome
Correct.
so we made it like that it's a NCR brewery it's a Punjab brewery it's a Gujarati brewery or a Mumbaiya brewery
Correct.
then we named it like that
हाँ.
and the day we changed all these WhatsApp group names people were like so excited okay it sounds good now okay
Correct.
so
Right.
success is again something that's everybody is looking for it's a generic term but brew is I think like we like that coffee and beer both when they are brewed fresh when they
Right.
are like created with a pure process
Right. With passion.
with passion and you know with love
Right.
that's where the success happens
Right.
so it was about brewing and then we created this entire hoodie called I brew my own success so I did not want it to give a hoodie to anybody writing success brew who will wear that
Yeah,
unnecessary,
absolutely.
right? So we made it a logo and a lingo called I brew my own success and people feel it with like wear it with proud and we distributed only 20 hoodies as of now whenever these people are wearing it again and again they every time send a photo to me कि आज मैंने ये hoodie पहनी हुई है
ये मेरे को भी चाहिए होगी वैसे.
done we'll have a next lot very soon
So, what according to you are certain challenges an entrepreneur face which can be tackled with the help of the communities that we have in those particular industries?
I would say practically everything if you ask for it
Hmm.
right okay so for a community like ours we have every sort of a expert today from a salesperson of a broadcasting media company like Sony to the engineering director of physics everybody sitting there it is all about how fast you ask and not everybody is freely available
Right.
so you should be able to someone who can say okay yaar you just give me any time maybe शायद रात को 1 बजे है I will travel from Gurgaon to Noida and meet you
Correct.
right and then you treat them with respect as soon as you can do that I think every problem can be solved in the community itself
Right.
and then there are people who solve that problem as a service so you should be able to pay them
Absolutely.
but yes as a community everybody is being spoken that okay if there is someone who don't even have a paying capacity let me know first before you say no to them right if I have the capacity I will also analyze the segment and I'll pay you for that we have kept it all open right okay we will have a deal with you if you cannot make money from this person I'll make you money from somewhere else but you don't say no to help right so I think हर कुछ solve हो सकता है people should ask only
Now imagine there are two entrepreneurs. One is part of community, one is not. What do you think दोनों की lives में क्या क्या challenges आते हैं and how they are able to tackle those challenges?
आई थिंक जो कम्युनिटी का पार्ट नहीं है या फिर जो कम्युनिटी में है भी बट बात नहीं कर रहा है who doesn't understand the value of a community they will have a 0 to 1 journey very very long because they will figure out and think of it na why to reinvent the wheel
Right.
and today when you have so many things already ready made right आपको बने बने स्ट्रक्चर्स आज मिल जाते हैं
Correct.
तो वो ले लो ना कम्युनिटी से
हाँ बिल्कुल.
मतलब I would say not sitting in the community and not asking for help is sheer arrogance especially when nobody is asking you money
Correct.
आपको फ्री में मिल रहा है बट हो सकता है आपको उठ के दिल्ली से बैंगलोर ट्रैवल करना पड़े अब इतना भी नहीं कर सकते तो फिर यू डोंट डिजर्व इट
Absolutely.
because we have done it right I wanted some help from a community and they said okay we are hosting an event sponsor your workshop 50,000 rupees and come to Bangalore stay here for a week I'm okay let's do it it was a risk for me first time
Absolutely.
but when I saw the kind of audience sitting in the room it was amazing the kind of shout outs I got after that, brilliant to a different level.
Hmm.
People know in US now that okay, there's some brand strategists who are sitting in India
Correct.
and we should talk to them because he spoke in that event.
Hmm.
So वो event का scale इतना बड़ा है कि अगर वहाँ पे आप speaker हो तो आपका reputation 10x हो जाता है.
बिल्कुल.
Next event, the same event, and they did not have this workshop. It happened on public demand for free now. Right, so think of it. You have to take that risk someday. आपको community का access चाहिए. किसी ने 15 साल लगाए हैं community बनाने पे और आज वो कह रहा है यार मेरा event है. Profit नहीं कमा रहा वो उसमें. उसको event run करना है ना.
बिल्कुल.
तो आप उसमें contribute अगर नहीं कर रहे हो, then you are cheating that community. Then you are thinking one way.
करेक्ट.
कंट्रीब्यूशन तो फाइनेंशियली होता है. सो हमारे हिंदू धर्म में क्या बोलते हैं, कंट्रीब्यूशन इज बहुत तन मन धन.
करेक्ट.
करेक्ट नॉट. फिजिकल इन्वॉल्वमेंट, इमोशनल इन्वॉल्वमेंट एंड देन फाइनेंशियल, तीनों चाहिए.
बिल्कुल.
राइट. तो आई थिंक कम्युनिटी में जो भी लोग वो तीनों लाने में प्रॉब्लमेटिक नहीं है, ज्यादा फ्लरिश करते हैं.
करेक्ट.
सो दे आस्क फॉर इट एंड दे इक्वली पे बैक वेरी सून. उनको प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती.
Now we are going towards the end of the podcast. I want to understand one very like emotional moment about you where you have given a lot to the community, right? The community helps each other inside the community, but I want to understand, or probably like I want to know about that particular moment when you realized कि the community is giving to me as well. Like जहाँ पे आपको लगा कि यार अब मैं वो टच हो गया है कि हाँ मैंने जो इम्पैक्ट बनाना था वो बना दिया है, अब मेरे को भी फायदा हो रहा है.
देखो आई थिंक ये मैं ना अपने हर बर्थडे पे करता हूँ. आई आस्क बैक फ्रॉम द कम्युनिटी. ओके. एंड आई आस्क बैक ओनली वन थिंग, दैट्स अ शाउट आउट फॉर द कम्युनिटी इटसेल्फ अगेन. राइट. सो लास्ट ईयर 28 पीपल टॉक्ड अबाउट द कम्युनिटी ऑन माई बर्थडे. दिस ईयर आई एम प्लानिंग, मेरे पास एक्चुअली टाइम नहीं है उस पूरे कैंपेन को प्लान करने का. एंड वी हैव वेरी लेस डेज पेंडिंग. सो 29th अप्रैल इज माई बर्थडे. आई एम एक्चुअली एक्सपेक्टिंग 100 पीपल टू पोस्ट इट. आई हैव नॉट इवन रोल्ड इट आउट टू एनीबॉडी राइट नाउ. सो अभी 21 तारीख के बाद हम शायद करेंगे. So again, I think what best a community can give back to me is adding more valuable people to the community who are also engaged and active in the community. Right? Okay. I think today if we are sitting at 5,000 and if 20% people, that is 1,000 people, are very very active and they understand the value, they are with me for 4-5 years. Even if they are two good friends that they have already to the community, will grow exponentially. Right. I think this is what I expect anyway. Right. Okay. And there are very good people who have actually like I was talking about Mr. Anuj Kanwar. Met him in an event in Bangalore. Then he said, "Sir, I'm coming to Delhi, let's meet again." I said, "Do you want to meet me alone or I can invite a few people?" He said, "If you invite, even better."
Right.
I invited 3 people. He also invited 4 people. Right. We became 9 people. Right. We sat for good time and then he loved it. He said, "ये बहुत कम लोग करते हैं." Right. And wherever he goes now, he said, "Okay, I'm in Mumbai, I'm in Bangalore." He said, "Okay, Bangalore में किसी मिल सकता हूँ क्या?" मैंने कहा मिल लो. Similar things he gave back to me. कि ओके यार तू एक काम कर, दिल्ली आ रहा है ना, मैं भी आ रहा हूँ, मैं 5 लोगों को बुला रहा हूँ. That's the first rule of building human relations and how to win friends and influence people. Right. Public appreciation.
Right.
Right. I think people need to understand this deeply. Public appreciation, how it helps and all. So I think एक टाइम था जब मैंने ना community founders के साथ network build करना start कर दिया था. Rather than just building one community, I said why not connect with community founders and connect with them. So they understand this internal feeling that how giving helps. They started giving a lot. I think 2022 and 3 this helped a lot. In entire community to grow, adding more value to the community happened. And I think I am no competition to anyone, nobody is competition to me. We can all collaborate and work together. And I think that's why I love this name also, Collative. Right. Okay. It's very amazing name for a co-working space actually. Right. So these are the major emotional challenges. I think if people can someday say, okay, I became something from this challenge and you know this community helps.
Right.
वो जो messages आते हैं ना छोटे छोटे कभी कभी, those are the things that I read on my down days.
ये बहुत अच्छा होता है.
That's a big kick.
Absolutely. So thank you, Saurabh. Thank you
Most
so
welcome.
much for giving us your
lovely
time, coming on this podcast and giving me the opportunity to host it. I'll be looking forward and thanks so much again.
Most welcome.
Thank you viewers for staying with us throughout the video. If you like such content, please do subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon and follow us on Instagram. Thank you.